Quick Write with Ollie. Let's practice writing the lowercase I. Hi there! Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the lowercase I. Watch me write the first one. I start at the middle line. I go straight down to the bottom line. I lift my pencil. I make a small dot right between the top line and the middle line. That's a lowercase I. Now let's do 5 together. Ready? Write. Start at the middle line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Lift your pencil. Make a small dot between the top line and middle line. Nice job keeping the dot small. Let's move on to the next one. Ready? Write. Start at the middle line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Lift your pencil. Make a small dot between the top line and middle line. That one looks just like mine. All right, let's try the next one. Ready? Write. Start on the middle line. Go straight down. Lift your pencil. Put a dot on top. Great focus. Check if your dot is right where it should be. Let's keep going. Ready? Write. Middle line, down. Add your dot. One more to go. Ready? Write. Middle line, down. Add your dot. Excellent work. You finished strong. Look at your lowercase i's. Which one is your very best? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today. You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab.